What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Fifi B Crafting. I'm doing a video on Cricut Design Space today, just to show you guys how to do the designing clothes on the characters and saving it with the snipping tool. That's what I have on the screen, the snipping tool. I'll explain it more at the end. But this is how we're gonna do it. These are designers I made. We're gonna go to Google first. It's gonna go a little fast, and type in the character you want, which is I'm typing in Mickey Mouse. Typing in, and you go to images. That's what is gonna pull up by images, and you're going to go to tool to increase the size to large because you want the best quality picture. So that's why I'm changing it to large. Once you change to large, you're going to go and find the picture you want. And they have a few on here. You can pick transparent background if you want to. Some be transparent, some don't. But I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna do it just with the color. So I'm changing it back. Okay, I'm gonna pick what picture I want. There's a few here. Turn that off. Okay, let me go back. I see some at the bottom of that, so we're gonna find one with just a clear background. This one will do. You're going to right click it, save as, and you're going to save it to the file you want it to save it to. Wherever you're going to save it to, you're going to save that. Let that download. Okay, we can find a Minnie Mouse while we're here. You see her name, just click on it. If not, just type it in there and do the same way. This one will work. It look like a transparent background, but sometimes it don't have a transparent background when it look like it. So we're gonna upload them into Cricut Design Space. If you don't know how, you may need to go to the Cricut tutorial, but to learn how to upload. So we're gonna upload it. Go to the file we want to upload and pick which one we're gonna upload. So we got this one. I'll go to complex. Okay, we're gonna take out the white background on this Mickey Mouse, and then we're going to take out the other colors. We're going to take out his shoes, and we're going to take out his clothes. Okay, that's what we're going to change. We took off his shoes and we took out his clothes. Okay, and we're going to upload that. Once you upload that, we're going to go back and do the same thing. We just we leaving his clothes, we leaving his shoes, and we're going to take out the outline of his body using an erase tool. It's kind of time consuming, but you got time if you ain't doing it late. Just erase the little stuff you don't want to erase. It don't gotta be perfect, but you don't want it all in your background. So we're gonna do Mickey the same way. This one have like a transparent background, but when I click on it, it's not transparent. So we have to just use the wand tool to increase on here, increase the wand, and then it should work. But if it don't work, just go and remove the background and remove background at Google remove.bg, and remove that background and upload it the same way. And then take the background out. And so it'd be the same. But I didn't do that here, so I'm just taking out her clothes, her bow, her dress, and her shoes. So this is basically what I'm taking out right here. Let me zoom in, do that back over. So we're gonna do the same thing we did on Mickey. We're gonna do it on the mouse, on Minnie. Taking her out, then we're gonna upload her again and do the same thing, leaving her body on there after we take the clothes off. So you're gonna upload 2 times. Increase on one side because I'm trying to get as much black out. We did her the same way. You see how we have one without the dress and one without the dress. Now we're going to go to the Google and find a designer background. So you do the same thing. You click on Google, you go to designer background, type in designer background. It's going to give you some designer you're going to pick from. Or you know the name, just click on whatever name that designer you want. So I went with this. I might going too fast, but did you see that I went to not upload images? I went to upload pattern and upload the pattern the same, just like that. It's nothing different. You go to pattern because you want the pattern. That's how we're gonna do it. You're gonna upload pattern, and once we upload the pattern, we're gonna go to and upload the pictures. I upload all the pictures and leaving the size that it upload. You want all the size that it came. Because if you change the size, it's gonna kind of mess up your shape and you have to resize it. So we got your thing. We're gonna go to print, and once you go to print, you're gonna go. It's gonna be an arrow. You're gonna go to find your patterns. They got colors and patterns, and you find what pattern, and that's that. There you go. That's how we got it. That was pretty easy. A lot of people don't know about the pattern, but that's how you do it. You can change any pattern or anything like that, and you just cover them up. That's why I say you don't worry about leaving the stuff in the middle because it's gonna be covered up anyway. You're gonna change her pattern. See, I have this in there. I say just save pattern, save background. Background is a pattern. So that's how you can change it. And you can change. You can edit it by changing, by making it big, small. You just scaling it up and down to get the design you want. So let's get a little more. You up and down. Just play with the settings you want to. Now you just all you gotta do is put it on her. I have my pattern in the front and not in the back of them because I wanted to cover what I didn't outline. The same with this one I already had on here. Same with her. I'm going to show you guys how to do the texture in his shoe and to add the circles around on his pants because I forgot to leave the circle on his pants. So I'll show you guys that. Just hold on tight. Okay, to do the texture on his shoe, you can outline that when you crop it, or you can just make its own pattern using a circle shape. Let me show you that. Yeah, around his leg and like around in his shoe crease. So we're gonna get a circle. Gonna copy that, duplicate, and make one of the circles the pattern you want or the color you want. Make it to print. We're gonna change it to print. So we're gonna pick a pattern just to show you how to look with a pattern. Okay, let's pick a pattern. Now we have a pattern, and we're just gonna add the other circle on top of that to slice it using the slicing tool. Put it on top and just put it like at the top because you just want like a ring like shape, like a moonlight. So you can use those. Just make it smaller to fit right in the shoe and gotta be perfect. So it's gonna fit like right there. Just to give the shoe a little texture look, or so it won't be just the pattern and look so plain. Take that one out I had just to show you. Unlock it and you can just play with the sizes. I'm gonna make this go up some and just put it right there. And I got one on the other side. It's like real small. If you do the pattern, then it's kind of hard to look at it, but it still has like texture. So if you want to do like a black or white, you can do it to make it show more like that. I like the black. And like you can do the thing with the ring, do the same thing. Make like the moon shape, crop it. And you can use that one. Just duplicate right there. And I just make it, turn it around, and just make it more like wider. Just increase the size so it can fit right around his leg, his ankle. And put it like right in, like right at the end of each side of his leg. Now that look good with a basic color, so I want to do the pattern color because it blend in too much. But you can, if you want to, you can choose the pattern or the same thing. It's just pattern. You're just playing with patterns. But the black look good like that. I did the same thing. And take these out. We're gonna do the circles with his pants because when we was cropping it out, when we left the we didn't take the white out. So I just basically, because I put it behind it. So if you was to take it out, you just, and we can just fix it with the circles, making a circle. Unlock the circle so you can make it into an oval shape. And changing it to a print and making it white, or put what pattern you want it, and that's it. You clean the outline when you crop it. You can do it this way. So this is the snapping tool. You're just gonna snap it, putting everything in the snapping tool and saving it. That's it. A screenshot. So this is how I do it in Cricut Design Space. Someone might found something different, but this is how I do it. And I have a part two coming. It's another way you can do it using the SVGs. And I can do it with, it's a website you go to convert it to SVG and do it in the same way. I'm going to drop that video probably right after this, the next day. Or maybe tonight I'll drop it and you can just be there in the morning. But it's a part two. I will be dropping it. Like and subscribe to my channel. I have a group that's new that I can show people how to do stuff, or if you need me to do stuff, you can comment on there and I'll get back to you because I can't message everybody. But if you go to my group and you comment, I can get back to you and show everybody how to do things all at once. And the group is called Crafting Together, Everything Crafting. So if you crafting, can be cooking, DIYs, working with cameras, clothes, boutiques, anything you like, crafting. We all in this group together, just showing off our work, just showing what we can do. That's why I wanted to have a group, because I help a lot and I just couldn't do it all in my inbox, back to back, back to back, back to back. So I said it's on Facebook, my group. So I said we're gonna put it all in one group and just do it there so everybody can see it. It can be saved there, and I can just go to YouTube and upload videos to help people. So y'all do that. Thank y'all for watching. I know the video is all over the place and I'm still new to YouTube, but I'm getting there with this editing stuff on this computer. But thank y'all for watching. If y'all have any comments, leave it at the bottom, and I'll try to respond to everybody. The video is going too fast, going too slow. Stop and rewind it, pause it, go back over and over and over. It's easy. That's it. Thank you.